31st of May. It's probably about 5 o'clock. Today legs feel a little bit heavy. Probably from the tempo yesterday evening on the way back. But I'm confident and hopeful that they'll loosen out in the next kind of 12k. That's the plan today.
Just gotta say sorry, I'm a little bit sleepy. So 12k.
Everybody's excited. I am in the lovely Pilbara, and today's video is going to be on how not to swallow flies while running in the Pilbara. No, I'm joking. I'll cut this bit out hopefully because you don't want to see that. Or that. Yeah. So, welcome back to the famous studio. It's not really a studio, it's just my my little room. Doesn't it look sad and lonely? So, week 5 weeks left today. Whenever this video comes out, we will be running. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. So, this morning, I just want to have a quick chat about pacing. Why is it matter this morning? No care this morning, day. Not on this legs. Okay. Let's try it again. Good morning, everybody. This morning again. Clearly, you don't care anymore. Alright. Hi, everybody. Week 14 weeks left to the Delirious West. Little video on the benefits of training with training partners and some of the potential disbenefits, unbenefits, disadvantages. 13 weeks left to the Delirious West. Today's video is on... What's it on? I can't remember. What's it on? God damn, I wish I remembered. Oh, it's on Getting Lost. It's 13 weeks out. Hi everybody. Quick video this week, week 12. 12 weeks left to the Delirious West, getting close. On Getting Lost. I did get lost there for a moment. Getting lost and how not to